Come on. All right, I made a video. Come on. Look at you go. What are you supposed to do? Look straight ahead. Don't look at... You gonna go back down?
Yeah.
All right, go on. Good job. You're not even pedaling. Lean into it. Lean the same way that you're turning. Nope, we might have to stop and start over. Go down the hill and come back up. Julia. Ta-da!